Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpaper on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to switch the wallpaper, we need to go to the settings. Then in the settings you want to scroll down and go to wallpaper and personalization. And now over here, if you keep scrolling down, you will find a bunch of different wallpapers, different offers, let's say, that you can choose from. We also have online wallpapers, but we're gonna actually stick with those that we have over here. We have some editor picks. We have some new wallpapers. We can tap on more next to each of these categories in order to find more of them. We also have super wallpapers, which we can download by tapping on this cloud icon over here. And what it does is, I'm gonna actually show you. I'm gonna install this one. I have downloaded this one before, and it looks like actually didn't apply. So let's go over here. We need to press apply, of course. But before we do that, we can see the preview. So this is the always on display, then this is the lock screen, and then we have the home screen. So if you want something like this, then of course you can apply that. And we need to, of course, use always on display in order to be able to use this wallpaper. So I'm actually not gonna do that. Let's stick with something basic. Let's say I'm gonna choose this wallpaper over here. In order to apply it, then of course we have this apply button. Then we can set it to lock screen, home screen, on both. I'm gonna set it to both. We might be informed about the wallpaper carousel. I'm not a fan of it, so I'm gonna turn off wallpaper mix. And there we go, wallpaper applied. If I go back to the home screen, you can see now that I have different wallpaper. And if I turn on the lock screen, then I have the new wallpaper as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.